Greetings. Today, February 24th, in Tbilisi and Batumi, on the anniversary of the start of the Russian invasion of Ukraine, actions of solidarity with Ukraine are being held. Military expert Satilashvili believes that the U.S. is developing bioweapons in the laboratories of Georgia and Ukraine, where they actually study new viruses. When fighting was going on in Lisichansk, says Satilashvili, all materials were urgently evacuated from the city of Lisichansk to the Tbilisi laboratory. And the president of the Russian Federation, 2 days ago, reminded the Federal Assembly that it was the presence of such laboratories in Ukraine and Georgia that became one of the reasons to launch a special military operation in Ukraine. Would a nuclear power start developing bioweapons somewhere in Tbilisi or Lisichansk? Today the Georgian national basketball team beat the Netherlands with a score of 88-80, and if tomorrow it beats the Icelandic team in Tbilisi, it will get to the World Championship for the first time in history. Georgian Greco-Roman wrestlers won 1 gold, 3 silver and 2 bronze medals on the first day of the rating tournament in Alexandria, Egypt. 6 more Georgian wrestlers will perform today. During rescue operations in Turkey, a building collapsed and a volunteer from Georgia, 35-year-old Daniel Balkashvili, fell under the ruins. He was considered dead, but 3 days later he was pulled alive from the rubble. Good luck to all of you.